So, ito na yung fish. Nilagyan ko ng spinach. Saka ito na yung scallops. And this is the pasta. Okay. Hahaunin na natin. Hahanguin na natin ang scallops. Okay. Kita ba guys? Ayan. So, dahan-dahanin natin ang apoy. So, maulan dito guys, kaya I have to cook food. Pwede naman kaming umalis, lumabas. But I went to the fish market. I bought this one. So, it's cooked now. Okay. So, hahapunin natin, hahanguin natin. Ang sarap ng pagkain ni Mr. Suave. Tapos ito ang akin. Then, iwan natin. So, isang balot ng scallops guys, scallops is $20. It's not bad. So, ito ang pangsahog ni Mr. Suave sa kanyang pasta. Okay. Yan. Charan! Sarap. Okay. So, ngayon magluluto tayo sa sauce. Ayan. So, hindi na lang natin hugasan kasi nandito ang flavor. O, diba? Tingnan nyo guys ang aking sabaw. Ha 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 ha. So yummy. Ayan. Ayan, ayan. Tapos, medyo brown na siya. Lagay natin ang mushroom. So, itong gagamitin natin na mushroom. Shiitake mushrooms. Ayan, masarap to guys. Ayan. Itong hugas-hugas. Nahugasan naman to. Ayan. So, nirinse ko lang siya. Ayan. Ay, sarap. Ayan. So, lutuin natin ang mushroom pero hindi overcook. Kasi hindi siya masarap. Sayang. At kayong mag-ginay guys. Ayan. Sige, antayin muna natin ng konti. Ayan, for few minutes. Ngayon, lagyan natin ng konting milk. Para maluto yung mushroom. Ayan. So, ang fish ko ay luto na rin. Ayan. Woohoo! I-off ka na. Turn off. Tanggalin natin. Kasi ito ang nagbibigay lasa. Ayan. lagyan natin ng pampalasa. Garlic powder. Masarap ang garlic powder, guys. Tsaka white pepper. Pepper kasi white pasta po siya. O, diba? So, ito ang ating pangpunas sa kalat-kalat. Ganyan-ganyan lang yan, guys. Para hindi siya didikit ng bonggang-bongga. Ayan. So, antayin natin. So, luto na ang mushroom. Lagyan ko ng konting asin. At ilagay na natin ang white sauce. So, ganyan lang siya, guys. So, pakuluan natin ng bonggang-bongga. So now guys, ayan, kumukulo-kulo na siya. So,
You like some wine?
yeah, please. So, this is a fresh milk kasi sayang naman ang cream. So, hinuhugasan natin ng ilalim. O, diba? Bonggang-bongga. So, your dinner, my dear, is so good. Hopefully that you like it.
Oh, sure. It looks delicious.
I think you don't need to get only one plate, my dear. Please.
Oh, we're
Yeah.
gonna use this stuff.
Ayan, tikman natin. So, hindi masyadong luto ang mushroom. Mas masarap siya pag tama-tama lang. Hindi siya overcook. Ayan. So, ngayon, kumukulo-kulo na siya na. Lalagay na natin ang pasta ni Mr. Suave.
Wow.
Yes, my dear, your pasta. I'm gonna put your pasta here. Hello, everybody! Ayan, nakita nyo ba? Ayan ang aking niluto. Ayan, nakita nyo ba ako? Parang hindi niya ako nakita. So, ito siya kumukulo-kulo na. Ayan. This is for you, my dear, okay? So, this is the pasta that I already prepared. I already cooked.
Very nice. Very nice.
So, kalahating box lang ang niluto ko for my Mr. Suave. Kasi minsan, pag madami ang niluluto ko, guys, hindi nauubos. Ayan, sayang, guys.
Would you like some tea with
No,
Huh?
no.
Okay.
So, ang scallop, pang toppings na yun, okay? Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Ayan. My dear, look at your dinner. It's so good with mushroom. Okay. Ayan. So, ito ang dinner ni Mr. Suave. Ang lagyan natin ng parsley. Ayan. Hugas po yan. Para may garnishing. O, diba? Gusto niya ng parsley. You like parsley, my dear, right?
Sure.
So, your dinner is ready? Okay, where's your plate? Please.
Over there.
Where?
Oh,
Your plate.
sit right here.
Okay.
Wow, fancy.
Okay, so it's ready for platings, my dear. So we're gonna... Ayan, look at that. You like it? And then you can put there, add spicy if you want, okay?
You said this one was $20?
Yeah. So it's already cooked, my dear.
All right.
So parang maraming sauce. So he wants mushroom. Parang nadamihan ko ata ng milk.
There was no tax at the fish market, right?
I'm not sure, maybe. Yeah, because it's not cooked.
Yeah, right.
Lagyan natin ng mushroom. So, ayan. And then, nasa natin kay lagyan natin ng scallops. Woohoo! Hello, my dear. This is your dinner.
Fantastic.
So, this is only for my Mr. Schwabi because mine is head fish. Okay. So, hinati ko lang ang scallop, guys. Ayan, nakita nyo? Oh, and then I'm gonna put the parsley. Okay, thank you for watching. Ayan, my dear. Oh, here's yours. You can add cheese, okay?
Put what?
Cheese in the top. Where's your cheese?
Oh.
Oh, it's up to you if you want, okay?
Yeah, cheese is nice.
Okay, and this is my fish. Woohoo! Thank you for watching, guys.
Ooh,
Yeah.
man, oh man. It's too fancy, my dear.
Of course, my dear. I work so hard. Okay, this is mine also with spinach and mine is fish, okay? No, I don't need to put in the plate, okay? Thank
What are
you
you
for
gonna do?
watching. I'm gonna bring over there on the table. Bye-bye! For my Mr. Suave's dinner, okay?